I think now it started. Okay. Screen is visible again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we will see about anatomy of the pancreas. We have discussed about anatomy of liver. Okay, but today we will see about anatomy of pancreas because we are reading about digestive system. In digestive system, how much liver is important to that pancreas is also important. You see this pancreas basically it is a heterocrine organ. Okay, that is a heterocrine organ. What is this heterocrine organ means? Both, okay, both exocrine and endocrine. What is this pancreas basically? It is both exocrine and endocrine. Okay. So what is exocrine gland? What is endocrine gland? The meaning of these two glands, first you all have to understand. Okay, the whole you take the whole human body. Okay, you take the whole human body. It is basically having the glands. Basically, our human body have a glands, numerous glands we have. In that whole glands which is present in the human body is divided as a two different type. One is exocrine, one more is endocrine. We do have another different types, yeah. That is according to the structure wise, how it is arranged, how the ducts are arranged. Okay, how the a cell group is arranged. That is different. That I'm not going to tell. Only function wise I'm saying here. Okay, so when you see function wise, exocrine glands means how it will be. Uh, exocrine glands, I will just erase this. Okay, so exocrine glands are the ones, see, so many different cells will be present like this. You take any gland. Okay, always remember when you have a cell, definitely within the cell, what will be there? Epithelium will be there like this. Okay, within the epithelium, nucleus will be there. Okay, so what this exo I'm talking about exo. So these cells, okay, the cells which is present in the gland, what they will do, they will release some substance. They will release some substance. Okay, in case of exocrine gland, there will be a duct will be present. Duct means nothing but your tube-like structure will be attached to the gland. Okay, so that the duct, through the duct, what will happen? The substance will be going and present within the duct. So whenever a particular body is needed, duct will be releasing the substance into the particular part of our body. This is exocrine gland. Okay, this is exocrine gland. What about endocrine gland? If you see this endocrine gland, okay, if you see this endocrine gland, so I'm talking about now endo. Endocrine also similar to this. Okay, there are so many cells will be there. When you draw the cell, within the cell, always remember epithelium will be there. Okay, that and all you draw and keep it. So this will be also releasing some chemical substance. Endocrine gland, what it will do? It will release some chemical. Okay, it will release some chemical substance. Where it will release? Directly into blood. Directly into bloodstream. These endocrine glands will be releasing. Okay. So this chemical substance, that substance is called as hormones. Understood? Understood the difference between endocrine and exocrine gland? Any doubt in the endocrine and the exocrine gland? Why I'm saying both the differences now? Because both of the things you are going to able to see in the pancreas. That's the beauty of pancreas. Okay. So before going to the exocrine endocrine gland part, first you have to understand anatomically. We are reading about anatomy. We are reading about anatomy. Okay, so the anatomy of the pancreas. First, you have to understand what are the features are there, what are the different structures are there. That all you should know. Okay, first orient about this picture. In this picture, here where I pointed, can you able to see? This organ is what? This is our pancreas. Okay, this is our pancreas. Okay, along with pancreas, what are the organs you can able to see? You can able to see liver. Liver is covered by diaphragm. Along with the liver, we have a organ called as gallbladder. Along with the pancreas, we have a structure called as duodenum. Okay, can you able to identify all these organs right now in the picture? Where is the pancreas? This is our pancreas. This is our liver. This one is gallbladder. This is the diaphragm. Okay. Okay. So you are where the pancreas is exactly situated and what are the structures are present around the pancreas. Right. Let's see the differences now. Like I said, pancreas is the exoendocrine gland. Pancreas is exoendocrine gland. See. Okay. And also you see this pancreas, it is soft and finely lobe. Full lobes are present. Any gland you take, not only pancreas, you take thyroid, you take thymus, or you take ovary, or some other glands. Okay, any other glands you take, everything will be lobulated. The lobes will be present compulsory. Okay, and I told you two different glands. This is two different glands, exocrine and endocrine. No, according to what secretion it will be releasing, our pancreatic juice will be releasing. Okay. Pancreas, what it will be releasing? Definitely hormone. What are the important hormones? Insulin. Okay. Main important hormone is insulin. Then glucagon. These all will be releasing. Okay, so which is endocrine, which is exocrine? Hormone is the endocrine part, and the digestive juice, that is pancreatic juice, is the exocrine part. Those details we'll see later. Okay, so then let's see about the terminology of a pancreas. This pancreas we're dividing into pan and krias. Pan is the Greek word, okay, that means all. Krias is the flesh. So all flesh. By that it got a name as a pancreas. Okay. Then pancreatic juice, like I said, it will be reaching to the duodenum. Okay, which part of duodenum? Second part of duodenum, the pancreatic juice will be releasing. So the pancreatic juice will be having some digestive enzymes. They will be helping for digestion process. What are the things that can be digested by this juice? Lipid, carbohydrate, proteins, all that thing. And about endocrine, the hormones are released. Insulin is released, glucagon is released. Okay. So mainly they will be helping for maintaining glucose, okay, homeostasis. That is the major function these two things will be doing. Next one. Where pancreas is situated exactly? Okay, where pancreas is situated exactly? This is actually more or less it is present horizontally on the posterior abdominal wall. Where it is present? Posterior abdominal wall. And now you all have to remember 9 quadrants, 9 regions, which I have already explained you. Okay, and remember I have given one set of questions. I told you guys to write the assignment, right? In that transpyloric plane, I have mentioned transpyloric plane. Many of you, I think, writing wrong answer. Please kindly check. Now I will explain what is transpyloric plane. Okay, so here this it plane. This is the left lateral plane. Okay, and this trans plane. This one is the trans tubercular plane. This line which I'm drawing, this is the transpyloric plane. So you have to tell which point to which point. Tip of the ninth coastal cartilage, that area we have to mark it. We have to draw the line like that. You should explain. I don't know, many of you writing wrong answer. The people who I have evaluated, for them answer was wrong. So make sure you are writing the correct answer, and many of you are not submitting the assignment. You have to submit the assignment, otherwise when I give you the internal marks, I will mark 0. That's it. Okay, keep on. I won't ask. I will just inform you your name. You got 0. That's it. That's all I can tell you. Okay, guys. So, if you see these planes, we have a different regions. What are the different regions? Umbilical region, hypogastric region, right hypochondriac region, left hypochondriac region, right, okay, right lumbar region, left lumbar region, right iliac region, left iliac region. Like this, 9 different regions will be there. So now, uh, now we now we have to know where the pancreas is situated in these 9 regions. Okay. So this will be present at the epigastric region here and left hypochondriac region. So it will be like this. Sorry, here it will be like this. All over this place, what will be present? Pancreas will be present. Okay. So remember which region this pancreas will be present? Epigastric and left hypochondriac region. Okay. So this is about the location in the quadrants of our or regions of the abdomen part. Okay. Apart from this, at which vertebral level? Okay. Apart from this, at which vertebral level it is situated? It is situated between T12, L1, L2, L3. Okay. So between like this T12, L1, L2, L3. This level our pancreas is situated. Okay. Next one. What are the different parts of the pancreas? So this is our pancreas. In this pancreas, we are dividing the pancreas into, okay, 4 different parts. 4 different parts. What are the 4 different parts? Head of the pancreas, neck of the pancreas, body of the pancreas, and tail of the pancreas. Like this, 4 different parts we are dividing. Okay, we are 4 different parts. And in the head, there is this elevated portion that is called as uncinate. Okay, uncinate process. And here, actually, neck is not this much. Okay, neck is only this constricted portion. Only this much is neck. Okay. And if you see here at this area, one elevated portion generally present that is called as tuber omental. Okay. This is about parts of the pancreas. Now you see this pancreas. This is roughly, okay, in a roughly a J-shaped manner, and it is retort shaped. Okay, meaning it is set obliquely, not straight one. It's set obliquely and somewhat J-shaped. Okay, somewhat J-shaped it is present. And the measurements you take, the length of the entire pancreas will be 12 to 15 centimeter, and their width will be 3 to 4 centimeter. The thickness, if you take, it will be around 1.5 to 2 centimeter. The overall weight of the pancreas is 80 to 90 gram. Okay, this is about the measurement of our entire pancreas. Next one, what are the different relations for each part of the pancreas? So already we have seen the different parts. What are the different parts? Again, here is the head, neck, body, tail. In the head you have an uncinate process, and then tuber omental in the body. This is the different parts we have seen till now. Let's see the relations. First we are going to see about head of the pancreas relation. You see this head, how does it look? It looks somewhat disc shaped. And where it is present towards right side. Okay. Somewhat a C shaped manner also. And where it is exactly situated? It is exactly situated like this. In the duodenum, the head of the pancreas is situated. Correct? The duodenal loop is there. No, there exactly head of the pancreas is situated. So now if you concentrate on the head of the pancreas ka border and surfaces, see here, I will draw the head. Okay, this is the head. You see the head, they have a borders. I will draw it in different color and show you. Three borders such as superior border, inferior border, and then right lateral borders. Superior border is this one, inferior border is this one, then right lateral border is this one. Okay, right now we are looking is the anterior surface. You turn the pancreas, you can able to see the posterior surface. And you already know one important process, that elevated portion we have seen, that is uncinate process. Somewhat hook-like appearance you can able to see. Okay, understood the border, surfaces and process? Okay, now mainly the superior border, which is going to be related to above, what is there? What is this? First part of the duodenum to the superior border. Same time you can able to see one artery called a superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. That is the artery which is supplying our pancreas and duodenum in the superior aspect. Okay. Now inferior border is related to which part of duodenum is this one? Third part of duodenum. Inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery will be related. Okay. Now right lateral is this one. Which part is this? Which part of duodenum is this one? Second part of the duodenum is related. Along with that, anterior and posterior pancreatico-duodenal arterial arcades also you can able to see. Okay, so these all are the relations of three borders. Again, head of the pancreas has a three border: superior border, inferior border, right lateral border. Superior border is related to first part of duodenum. Inferior border is related to third part of duodenum. Right lateral border is related to second part of duodenum. And some arteries are related there also. But remember, duodenum is the main important relation. Okay, border is over. Now surfaces. Okay, to see that surfaces, the picture is visible here. See, this is the anterior surface. This is the posterior surface. Anterior surface, what are the structures related? See, our transverse colon is actually going like this. We have cut it so that you can able to see the transverse mesocolon. Both will be related anteriorly. Right? Anteriorly related transverse colon and transverse mesocolon. Then little bit of the jejunum. So this one, this one, this one. These three are related anteriorly to the head of the pancreas. Now see the posterior. This is the head of the pancreas, posterior. What structure is crossing here? Our green color means representing bile duct. Above it is coming. Easily I can say it is bile duct. This should be our vena cava. Okay. So vena cava will be giving one branch, that is left renal vein also related. So inferior vena cava and bile duct. These two are the major relation you can able to see on posterior side. So anterior side transverse colon, transverse mesocolon, jejunum. Posterior side bile duct, inferior vena cava. Okay. And last one is uncinate process. Now come here. Where is uncinate process? We'll remove all this. This is the uncinate process. Anterior to uncinate process, what structure is crossing? Superior mesenteric artery and vein is crossing. Okay, superior mesenteric artery and vein is crossing the uncinate process. Okay, this is the relation for uncinate process. Understood? Head of the pancreas is over. All the borders, surfaces and process relation. What is the meaning of relation? The structure which is present above, below, side. Above, below and side. Above means or front and back. Above means superior, below means inferior, front means anterior, back means posterior, side means either right side or left side. That's it about head of the pancreas. Any doubt till now? Any doubt till now in the head of the pancreas? Yes, any doubt? No doubts? Okay. So we will see the next part of pancreas, that is neck of the pancreas. Okay. I hope you remember the diagram. Okay. The constricted portion is the neck of the pancreas. How much this measurement is? It is just 1 inch, 2.5 centimeter. Okay. They do have a border surfaces. Easily you can say the border surfaces. Okay. Superior border, inferior border. This is anterior surface. You turn, posterior surface will be there. Okay. That's it. Superior border, inferior border, anterior surface, posterior surface. Now we'll see the picture and learn. So we are reading about neck. Okay. So this is posterior relation. Posterior surface, you see. Posterior relation, posterior surface, you see. Here. Yeah. What is present posteriorly? Back side. Because to show it posteriorly, back side, we have, like the diagram have mentioned in a dotted manner. What is there? Portal vein. I hope you remember the portal vein. What is the portal vein? When the splenic vein and superior mesenteric vein meeting, that will form the portal vein. What is exactly portal vein is doing? It is collecting all the blood of the digestive tract, and that blood will be reaching the liver. The liver will be absorbing all the food product except the fat. That is what portal vein is doing. 75% of nutrition to the liver is done by portal vein. Okay, see the portal vein is what is? What is the relation for neck of the pancreas? Posteriorly portal vein. Okay. Then what else structure is basically related? Some here I will show you another picture. Okay. Here only you can able to see. Okay. So this area, what happened? Duodenum started. Before to duodenum, what will be there? Pylorus part of the stomach will be there. Like this. I'll draw in a different color. Correct? Then stomach will be there, no? So that pylorus part is related to upper border of the neck. Okay, lower border, this transverse colon will be continue like this and going, no? So the transverse colon will be related lower border. Okay, posteriorly portal vein is related. Okay, anteriorly also pylorus is related. That's it about neck of the pancreas. Now, body of the pancreas. See the body of the pancreas from here to here is the body of the pancreas. Here we have a three different borders and two different surfaces. Okay. So what are the three different borders? We have our anterior border. I'll show you in the picture. Inferior border. Okay. Anterior surface, posterior surface, superior border. See here. Sorry. This is the superior border. This is the inferior border. This is the anterior border. Okay. And this is the anterior surface. And here in a dotted manner, we have mentioned posterior surface. Understood? Three border, two surfaces of the body. Anterior border, superior border, inferior border, anterior surface, posterior surface. This anterior border, okay, this anterior border is related with transverse colon. What is transverse mesocolon? Transverse colon is covered by a peritoneum called as transverse mesocolon. So basically, transverse mesocolon is related anterior border of our body of the pancreas. Okay, next one, superior border. Superior border mainly related to the celiac and is going like this now. The celiac artery is mainly superior border relation. Inferior border mainly related to mesentery. Okay, mainly related to mesentery. Whatever the mesentery is present. Okay, so the whatever mesentery is present to inferior. Now the anterior surface. Now we will see the anterior. The anterior is completely related with the stomach. Which part of this? Which part is related here? Stomach